In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn on profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now move to the notifications here. In this way you can see here in interactions at fifth point profile views. If you turn it on, then you can view profile on your TikTok and you will get notifications and the other people will be allowed to view that you have viewed their profile. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.